Hello, today we are going to be talking about slope in terms of your water park project. All right, so I'm going to find the slope first using rise over run. We have our graph, so it'll be very easy to calculate slope in this way, rise over run. You can use this method if you'd like. I'm going to find the slope between the gift shop and the restroom. So again, doesn't matter where you start. If I start at restrooms, I have to count down and then back. If I start at the gift shop, I have to count up first, so my vertical change divided by my horizontal change. Okay, I'm going to start at the gift shop. I'm going to count up. These are sections of 5. I'm going to count anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Puts me even with restrooms. And then I go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so my rise is 11 and my run is 11. So when I look at that here, kind of already have this one filled out. 11 over 11 is 1. So I've completed the slope using the rise over run method for the gift shop to the restroom. All right. Now I'm going to do the lazy river to the large whirlpool. Okay. My lazy river is here. My large whirlpool is here. But instead of using rise over run, I'm going to use the slope method, the slope formula method. So I come over here and I'm looking at lazy river and large whirlpool. So I'm going to use these 2 points here. I just want to check to make sure I have everything in the right spot. So my large whirlpool is at -7, -6. That looks good to me. My lazy river is at -15, 5, 10, 15, and then +5. So those are the correct points. And now I'm going to use the slope formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so I'm going to go 5 minus -6. So remember, you can't lose this negative. This negative does not replace that minus sign. It will always be there. So sometimes I tell kids, actually, let's go to where we're going to show our work here. All right, we're going to do it right here, lazy river to whirlpool. All right, and that's going to give me 5. So the y value for the lazy river, and you could start up here at the whirlpool and then subtract this way, but then you have to do the same thing when you subtract the x's. So just be consistent. Okay. So I'm going to do 5 minus from the formula. Yes, there we go. And then -6 over. Coming back here, we're going to go like that. So we're going to get -15 minus from the formula -7. Okay. Now, when I look at that, I'm going to make this subtraction, but when you subtract a negative, you're really adding. So that becomes 11 again. Huh. All right, and then -15 again, the same thing here. Now, we can, subtracting a negative is really adding, so I can set it up like this. These signs are different, so I'm going to find the difference. And to go from 7 to 15, or 15 minus 7, that's 8. And the bigger number is negative, so the result is negative. So 11 over -8, or -11/8 if you wanted to finish the answer and make it look a little nicer. And I'm going to check that just in case. All right. So we're going from here to here, and I'm going to check it with rise over run. Boom. And then, so down 5, down 10, down 11. So the numerator looks good. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The denominator looks good as well. This is decreasing as we move left to right, so it is negative. So the sign checks out as well. So either method works for your water park project, rise over run, or use the slope formula. I hope this video helped, and I'll see you guys next time.